Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Pashwika. Welcome to Global IT Magazine page channel where we make content for artists and creative entrepreneur. In today's video guys, I'm going to talk about how to find the KDP right niches, or we're just going to go onto my laptop and I'm going to show you how to find the right niches for your KDP low and no content book. So if you're interested then stick till the end of this video guys, and don't forget to smash the like button before moving into the good part. And also guys, if you don't know, I have a free KDP interiors, a free bundle that contains 5 free KDP interior. The link of that free bundle in the description box below. You can download it completely for free and can use these KDP free interiors for making your KDP low and no content book. So let's hop onto my laptop and I'm going to show you how to find the right KDP niches and how you can target it and all that. Very well, right now we are on the Amazon.com. So I'm going to just go over that and I'm going to show you how to find the right niches. So this is a craft, hobbies and home. So we're just going to go into the book section and we're just going to type basically the line generals. So we are looking for the no and low content book. So you guys can see very well when I'm typing the line general onto the search bar onto the Amazon, there are so many options are popping up right now, that the line general for writing, for women to write in, notebook, diary for kids, Christian, dog, hardcover. That means that the people are actually searching for these particular keywords onto the Amazon. So you can use these keywords and in your book description and also in your book 7 slots keywords. You can use these keywords in your book and it would be easy for you to rank because you know that the people are looking for them onto the Amazon. So I'm going to use a keyword. Maybe I'm going to go with the line general for women to write in. Let's see how many search results they have for this particular keyword. So you can see they have 50,000 line general for women to write in. That means it's quite competitive. If I go with the books, it's quite competitive. So I need to go with the niche which is less competitive. That means they are having less than 1,000 or approximately 1,000 search results, so that I would be able to know that this particular niche is people are targeting and people are getting sales in that particular niche. So I would try to target the niche that are having approximately 1,000 or maybe like less than 1,000 research results, somewhat like that. So you can see this one is a quite popular niche, 50,000 search results, and they have the bestsellers in this category, 2 bestsellers guys. So that means you can target for the line general for the women, but you need to pick up a niche which is a sub niche of this women. That means you need to target the women of the specific age group. You can go like the women targeting for the teenage girls, or women like the single mom women, or you can target the old age women or young women, or like you can just add a sub niche category to this women, because the women is a popular one, so we need to sub niche down to pick up the one which we want. So this one over here guys, always remember, you are braver than you believe. That means stronger than you seem and smarter than you think. So that means so this one is always remember, you are braver than you believe, stronger than you seem, and smarter than you think. I guess it would be than you think, whatever it is. Inspirational general notebook to write in, notebooks for women and girls. So that means they are just catering for the women's, for the girls and women. So it's quite competitive if I go with this just women and girls. So I need to niche down. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna go over to the search bar and we're just gonna type line general for women. Now I just typed the line general for women. You can see the line general for women unicorn, line general for women to write in Halloween. There could be a trending niche that against the Halloween Valentine to write in the heart. So if I go with the women unicorn, let's see how many search results they have. So they have again the 50,000 search results. It's quite competitive, so I wouldn't be going with that. So I will go with probably line general for women, age, let me guess the age around 30 to 40 years of age. I mean, I used the ages quite 2 times. So this one is only having the 11 results. No, I won't be going by that because I'm not many search volume is there. Let me just search once again. Again is it 11 search results, but you can see it, although it has having the 11 search results, but this one is popping up. That means they are using the keyword, and I'm 39 plus blank line adult general keyword to go for, so I need to look for something else. Let me see. Let me go for the Halloween line general for women to write in Halloween. Let me see how many search results they have. So they have the 10,000. Okay, it's less than the women unicorn and all that. So it's a 10,000. And if I just scroll down, just a girl who loves boxers composition notebook. Vineyard Wines Shark Week notebook to write in for notes. They are having. Okay. So you can just click on them and can see their bestsellers rank for that. So again, it's a 50,000 search results. If I just use the keyword of this, always remember you are braver than you believe, inspirational journal, if I just write it down like that, always remember you are braver than you believe. If I just search for this particular term, because it's quite popular. Okay, so it's having 4,000 search results for always remember you are braver than you believe. That means you can target this particular keyword. And if you just see in this particular keyword, if you're keeping this keyword, if you're using this code for your line general for the women, then you can see this is one of the bestseller. Then if I just scroll down and let me see, this one is also having 295 reviews. That means it's also selling well. Let me just scroll down. Again, guys, this one is also selling on this one. Again, this one over here. So that means I can target this particular keyword in my book title as well, or in my book seven slots of keywords. So this is the one way which you can go by that. You can see what is the bestseller book in that category, and see what codes they are using, what keywords they are using in their title. So if I just look for this keyword, and if I just look for this book, you can see they are using these keywords in the title. Always remember you are braver than you believe, stronger than you seem, and smarter than you think. That this one is the whole one phrase. Then the inspirational general is another keyword. Notebook to write in is another. Let me just click on that, and we're just gonna see what are the keywords they are using in the title. So you can see, guys, always remember you are braver than you believe, stronger than you seem, and smarter than you think. I think it would be then instead of the think. That's the inspirational general, notebook to write in for generals, notebook for women and girls. So they are using so many keywords in their title. So one thing I'm going to tell you guys, whatever niche you are targeting, like whatever book niche or whatever you're targeting, always use long tail keywords rather than short tail keywords in your title. What I really mean by long tail keywords, this is the long tail keywords, guys. You can see very well. Always remember you are braver than you believe. This one is the whole phrase. Then they have used inspirational general, notebook to write in for generals, notebooks for women and girls. So this is the long tail keywords they are using in their title. So which is really amazing. I think they must be using the long tail keywords in their 7 keyword slot as well, but we can't look for that. And if you just read their description, so perfect for inspirational gifts for girls and motivational gifts for women of all ages, perfect general notebook to write in for teen girls. So this is the description of their book. Let me just scroll down and see their bestseller rank. So their bestseller rank is 2095 in books, which is pretty awesome, guys. And you can see they are ranking first in the antique and collectible magazines and newspapers, catalogs and directories, and in reference. So you can use the keyword which they are using in the title. If it is not copyright, guys, look for the phrases, look for the text that are not copyright, and then use them in your book. So they have used the always remember you are braver than you believe. So we can also use them, and then we can use the different keywords in our title. So this is the one way to do your research onto the Amazon. And if I just go back and see for the other books in the same category, in the same niche, if I just scroll down, and I see that this one is using always remember you're braver than you believe, the same code they are using. Then you see till here, and then they are using the keyword 8.5 into 11 line notebook general for girls. This is also another keyword. Then they are using inspirational gifts for girls and teens. It would be teens, not tweens, so that also selling. Then daily diarying for writing, so they are also using the long tail keywords in their title. You can see these are the separate keywords, and they are using the slots to separate their keywords. And if I just scroll down, this one is using unicorn, general and sketchbook, general and notebook for girls. This is another keyword. The composition size 7.5 into 9.75 with line and blank pages. This is another keyword, perfect for general doodling, sketching and notes. So these are all the keywords they are using in their title. So that is the long tail keywords. You can find it according to it. Now, if I just go there and type line general for women, let me just go for the women and see for the other books and how we can see the bestseller books in that category and what long tail keywords they are using. We have already considered for that. Now let me look for that. Yellow Flowers, but this book is quite old, guys. It's released in 2008, so it's quite old book. So let me just scroll down and see some other book. Okay, she believed she could, so she did. So this is another code, guys. She believed she could, so she did. So if I type in the search bar this particular keyword, this particular title, let's see how many search results they have. She believed. Okay, here it is. She believed she could, so she did. So they are having 10,000 search results. They're having pretty amazing search volume for this particular keyword. So this one is the book that is popping up first. She believed she could, so she did. A general of powerful quotes from powerful women. So they are using the quotes. Okay, let me just scroll down. Badass affirmations. Okay, just leave all these book, guys, because these might be high content book. Okay. Leather notebook, we need to avoid that. Let me just scroll down. This one is the notebook diary. She believed she could, so she did. General notebook diary. So they are using these keywords, notebook diary, general, and their keywords. Keyword, she believed she could, so she did. Inspirational quote notebook for women and girls. Trendy white and gold marble with rose gold inlay, and 8.5 into 11 150 college rule line pages. They are using so many keywords in the title. So they have the long tail keywords in their title, which is awesome, guys. So this is the way to find the right niche and right category for targeting your low and no content book. I just go it for the line general for the women. You can go for the men, for the kids, for the teens, or for whatever age group or whatever profession you want to target. You can very well go by that. So that's it, guys. So I hope that you really enjoyed today's video. Leave a comment below and let me know what you think about this video, and are you making low and no content book? What are the niches and what are the keywords you're targeting in your KDP low and no content book? I would love to hear from you in the comment section below, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in today's video, guys. See you for the next time. Take care. Bye, guys.